A tough year is in store for the Texas housing market, but how tough? Could shifting employment levels impact the state's commercial market this year? And have Texas's scorching hot land prices begun to cool? Finally, what sent nearly 100 Texas Realtors down Mexico way last fall? Hello, I'm Elaine Lovell with the Real Estate Center at Texas A&M University. These questions and more will be answered in this edition of TG2GO. The Texas housing market performed far better than the nation's in 2008, but Real Estate Center research economist Dr. Jim Gaines says to expect a bumpier ride in 2009. Multiple listing services in Texas reported a 16% decline in total home sales last year. And Gaines says sales this year could fall another 10 to 15%. Meanwhile, the median home price could fall 1.5% to 2% if the national recession is more severe than expected. Also, look for new home construction in Texas to continue falling and stay well below normal for at least the next 2 years. For more information, look for Gaines's new video coming soon to the Real Estate Center website. Confusing market conditions have many commercial property owners wondering if now is the best time to lease, build, or refinance. Employment is a key issue. Fewer workers mean more vacancies in commercial real estate space, and U.S. employment has been declining along with corporate profits. Absorption of office, retail, and industrial properties will be sluggish all year. Tenants will likely be able to drive hard bargains. But Real Estate Center Chief Economist Dr. Mark Dotzer says summer 2009 may be a turning point. Employment may bottom out by then, and businesses that have been postponing decisions until after the presidential election will have an idea of what the new administration intends to do. That may prompt an increase in business activity. Initial reports show dwindling land sales and only slightly rising prices in many parts of Texas last year. Overall, land prices continued to rise through the first half of the year, even as the number of transactions declined. But in a quarter-to-quarter comparison, second quarter prices did not exceed prices from a year earlier. The rate of increase in year-to-date price comparisons slowed from 14% in the first quarter to 8% over the first half of the year. Volume of sales lagged 31% behind 2007 levels. Land market professionals reported the number of ranch land sales dropped 30% or more. Commercial land sales in some urban areas fell by even larger margins. The phrase cross-border trade took on new meaning last fall as nearly 100 Texas Realtors participated in the first ever real estate trade mission to Guadalajara, Mexico. The Texas delegation toured commercial and residential real estate developments, participated in continuing education classes, and networked with Mexican real estate professionals. The 5-day event was organized by the Texas Association of Realtors, the National Association of Realtors, and the Guadalajara chapter of Mexican Real Estate Professionals, known as AMPI. NAR officials said this was the largest event of its kind, and organizers hope it will jumpstart cross-border business between Texas Realtors and their counterparts in Mexico. These stories and more are in the January 2009 issue of Tierra Grande magazine. It's online at recenter.tamu.edu. Thanks for watching.